Hi, my name is Sandy. I'm from Swell Design, and today I'm going to show you how to add social networking links to your Joomla site using a module called Stalker. There are other ways that you can do this, but this is my favorite because it's really fast and easy to do. Stalker was created by a gentleman called Nick Texador and can be downloaded for free from the Joomla extensions directory or from his website. We're going to use the regular 4-step process for installing Joomla extensions. First, we'll download the module, then we'll install it, configure it, and finally we'll test the results. Let's get started by downloading the files that we need. As you can see, I'm on Nick's site, and I'm just going to click on the link that says Download Stalker, and then when that page loads, we'll scroll down. You'll see that there are many ways that you could download this. You can get a bundle, a component, a plugin. All we need for most installations is the module, and that's really the simplest way to do it. Just download the module. So we'll click on module and then download the latest version, which in this case happens to be 1.1.1. And once our file downloads, we'll be able to install it. Remember where you downloaded the module to, because you're going to need to know that in just a minute so that we can install it. Now go to the administrator section of your Joomla site and log in. On the extensions menu, select Install Uninstall. And then where it says Upload Package File, browse and find the package that you just finished downloading. Click Open and then click Upload File and Install. Once the package has been installed, you should see a message indicating success. Now let's configure the module. Go to the Extensions menu and then select Module Manager from that menu. When the module list comes up, you're going to look for an extension or a module in the list called Stalker. Click on the name of the module and we'll be able to edit it. Now, I'm going to change the title of the module because I am going to show the title. I'm going to change it to Find Us On and see that Show Title is marked Yes, and I'm going to enable the module by clicking Yes next to the word Enabled. Then we also want to be able to pick the position that the module's in. For my template, I want to display the module on the right-hand side of the page, so I'm going to put it in the position called Right. Under Menu Assignment, you'll pick the pages where you want the module to be displayed. You may not want it on all the pages, and in this case I just want it on our Who We Are page. So I'm going to deselect everything and then pick Who We Are off the list. Those settings are the same, or the same options for every module that you install in Joomla. Now let's move on to the settings that are specific for the Stalker module. Those are over here on the right, the parameters for this module. The first thing you'll see at the top is that we have the option to apply a module class suffix. The next is you can choose different sizes for the icons. I'm going to leave this at the default settings. You can choose the display style, whether you want images, text. Since we've only installed the module and not the component, you want to make sure that the Use Database setting is left at No. Now let's go down and add a link for Facebook. We're going to mark Facebook enabled to Yes, and I'm going to put the username is actually my Facebook page name, which is Swell Design. Next, I'm going to add a link for Twitter. We have a Twitter account with the same name, so let's go down and mark Twitter as enabled. We'll change the no to Yes, and then put in the Twitter page name, which is also Swell Design. Then we just are going to save our changes, and we'll move on to the last and final step, which is testing to make sure that everything worked. So click Save to save the changes that you made to the module, and then I'm going to bring up my About Us or my Who We Are page. You'll see that right now there's no module installed on this page at all. I'm going to click Refresh so that we can see our changes, and we'll scroll over to the right and you'll see that the Find Us On module is now there. So click Facebook and that will take you to my Facebook page. We'll click the Twitter icon and that will take you to my Twitter page. And as you can see, the module is working just like it should. And so we're finished. Now we have links to our social networking sites from our Joomla site. And it was quick and easy.